The Kia Telluride 2027 arrives on the market, promoting a drastic shift in its successful trajectory by abandoning the renowned six-cylinder engine in favor of a more modern powertrain. The replacement of the previous 3.8-liter engine with a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder unit redefines the SUV's dynamic behavior. Although the nominal power has been reduced to 274 horsepower, the real gain in torque is the highlight, delivering 311 pound-feet, equivalent to 421 newton-meters, available at low RPM. This change prioritizes agility in urban traffic and ensures safer overtaking through a more immediate power delivery. In terms of performance and structure, the sport utility vehicle now features a total weight of 2,177 kilograms, representing an increase of 140 kilograms compared to the previous generation. This weight gain reflects the use of an expanded platform and new structural reinforcements for improved safety. In practice, the all-wheel drive version completes the 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in 7.4 seconds. The braking system has also received important technical updates, allowing the vehicle to come to a complete stop from a speed of 113 km/h within a distance of 51.8 meters, surpassing the previous model's benchmarks. The external dimensions have been increased to enhance interior space and road presence, totaling 5,060 millimeters in length and 2,969 millimeters in wheelbase. The design adopts a more robust and angular aesthetic, with clear inspiration from the brand's electric vehicle lineup and elements reminiscent of the British luxury segment. Acoustic engineering efforts resulted in an extremely quiet cabin, registering only 66 decibels at cruising speeds. The suspension has been recalibrated to absorb irregularities with precision, even when equipped with the 21-inch wheels available in higher trim packages. Inside, the cockpit is dominated by a unified digital panel composed of two 12.3-inch screens that integrate the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Ergonomics have been preserved through the retention of physical controls for critical functions such as climate and audio, avoiding driver distraction. The technology package includes a high-fidelity sound system from Meridian with 14 speakers and voice assistants enhanced by artificial intelligence. For passengers, innovation reaches the third row of seats, which now offers heated outboard seats, elevating the comfort standard for all occupants of the vehicle. Cargo versatility and market options complete the profile of this launch, with the trunk offering modular capacity for up to 39 suitcases with all seats folded. The 2027 lineup also introduces a hybrid variant with 329 combined horsepower, focused on energy efficiency for long-distance travel. In international markets, pricing starts at $40,735 for the base version, reaching up to $56,435 for the top-tier configuration. With a 10-year extended warranty in selected markets, the model positions itself as one of the most technically balanced options in its segment. Thank you for following this technical analysis. If this content was useful, click like and leave your comment with your opinion about the new SUV's updates.